In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust text size in Photopea, a versatile web-based photo editing tool similar to Photoshop. This is great for anyone looking to fine-tune their text design in a digital project without needing to install any software. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to launch your web browser and navigate over to Photopea's website. If you haven't worked with Photopea before, it's a powerful online editor that mimics much of the functionality of Photoshop. So it's lightweight, yet packed with powerful tools. Now, once you're on the Photopea homepage, make sure your project is open or go ahead and start a new project if needed. You should see a workspace that looks somewhat reminiscent of other graphic design platforms, complete with toolbars and layers panel. Next, you'll want to locate the text layer you wish to modify. If you've already got some text on your project, make sure the correct text layer is selected in the Layers panel. Simply click on the text to make your changes. Now that you've got your text selected, look to the right side of your workspace where you should see the character panel. If it's not immediately visible, you might have a few tabs stacked together. Look for one labeled Character and click on it to bring it into view. Once the character panel is open, you'll notice a variety of text editing features. Right here, you'll see options that let you adjust the font, style, keys, spacing, and so on. Right now, we're interested in the size of the text. Look for the Size option, which should display the current font size in a numerical value. This setting is straightforward to use. Simply click on the size number to highlight it and either type in a new number or use the arrows next to it to increase or decrease the size. As you change the size, you'll notice the text in your project changing in real time too, so you can play around with it a bit until you find the perfect size that suits your design needs. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the text size on your project within Photopea. It's always a good rule of thumb to experiment with text effects to see what works best for your design. Don't be afraid to undo changes if needed or explore other features within the character panel for further adjustments. With this quick walkthrough, you can enhance your designs, making them look more professional and visually appealing. Remember, practice makes perfect, so spend some time familiarizing yourself with the rest of Photopea's remarkable tools to fully unleash your creativity. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!